Hi there, slot fans. I'm cleaning out the phone a little bit and I found some great wins on Dancing Drums. Let's check it out. Let's start with Dancing Drums Prosperity.
Dancing Drums Prosperity, and I got the Prosperity drum bonus. We'll try Mystery. 288 bet. Come on, baby. Give me something great. This one. Bam! Okay, not bad. Now give me 15 games. Just don't give me 3. Anything but 3. Of course. You piece of junk. Anything but 3, and it gives me 3. Oh, I wish I'd had those 3 things on the right. Come on, drums. I need to re-trigger. Go, we got it. This is a nice win. $57. And the 3 extra spins. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, sorry. 82. More. Oh, Eric's going up. Bang. Bang the drum. Oh, no 5 of a kind. That's where the money is. You can get 5 of a kind. Stack it up, baby. Oh, nothing? Oh, 2 dead spins in a row. Last one, and got the those green things, but they didn't continue over. All right, well, for another downgrade bonus, which I don't know why, it seems like I downgrade every time I play this game. I put in 60, and I'm up to 125 thanks to that bonus. I'll be back with another win on Dancing Drums Prosperity. Matt Bailey plays the slots. Dancing Drums Prosperity. You hear that drum banging? I got the Prosperity extra bonus here on a 588 bet. Let's go for it. I've had a great night. Let's get this one. Dude, over here. Bang. Okay, not bad. Now, 15. Upgrade my games. Give me 15 or 10. 15 or 10. Come on. No, I got the same thing as if I picked it. Okay, 5 free games with a pretty big screen. 588 bet. Come on, baby. Yes, keep drumming. Drum. Taller. Coins everywhere. Oh, I wish I'd had them on the back end. I think that would have been a huge win. Still over $100. But wow, I didn't have any coins there on the right. Or bushes for that matter. Great start. Do it again. More drumming? Nope. How about a re-trigger? Drum, drum, drum. Nope. All right, 2 more spins. 183. Drum. Oh, we got a re-trigger. All right. $84 plus 3 games. That's awesome. Dancing drums. Come on, baby. Drum it up there. Keep pounding. Retriggered again. All right. And $11 more. All right, keep drumming. Bang the drum slowly. Drum, drum, drum. Come on, baby. Come on, Humok drums. Oh. You want to re-trigger when you get that first drum. Big screen. Where'd they go? Drums, come back. Oh, boy. It's just killing off these re-trigger spins. 2 to go. Give me some drums. Bang, bang, bang. Nope. Last spin. Boy, what happened with those last 6 spins? I won like $10. Well, thank you. That was a really nice bonus on Dancing Drums Prosperity. 286.20. I'll be back with another win. Matt Bailey plays the slots. Drums Prosperity got the bonus on a $5.88 bet. What's it do? We're going for the mystery. Come on, we want this one. Over here. This side. Over here. Okay, now we want that side. We want at least 10 games. Over there. 15. 15. All right, well, it's the same as if I picked it. All right, here we go. 588 bet. Let's make it count. Come on, big wins on Dancing Drums Prosperity. Not bad. Got some ships. I need a full screen. Come on, baby. Drum, drum, drum. That's a re-trigger. 3 more spins. Keep those coming. Oh, we didn't get it down. $51 so far. Come on, baby. Crank it up. Oh, I did get 5 ships. Oh, that's $24. La 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 la. Stack them up, baby. Oh, we got the tree all the way across. That's $96. Ba, 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 ba. Keep it coming, Dancing Drums. How about another re-trigger? More spins. Come on, baby. Okay, we've got some more trees. Over $210. Come on, give me a massive win. Just a few coins. Okay, last spin coming up. Want to re-trigger. Save the bonus. Coins. Oh, rats. I think a stack of coins over there would have been really great. Still $43 on that last spin. I think we're going to celebrate a win of $274.50. Bang those drums. All right, I've tripled up to 338. I'm doing very well at the casino tonight. I'm going to keep trying Dancing Drums Prosperity and see if I can't get another bonus, maybe the Prosperity bonus. Stay tuned for more. Matt Bailey plays the slots. All right, it's Dancing Drums Ultimate Explosion, I think. I got the green drum bonus on $1.88. I have no idea what to pick. So I'm going to pick mystery and we'll just see what happens. Come on, give me the 6x5. Get to the right. To the right. Okay, not bad. Now, to the left. 15. 15. Left. Okay, it's the same as if I picked it. All right, green drum. Drop. Oh, darn, nothing? Are you kidding me? Okay, re-triggered. Oh, coins are flying. How much is this? Well, if we'd had the food doggies in the 4th reel, that would have been really nice. All right, $34, and we got some extra spins. Tree. A little bit. Okay, drum. Oh, it just went by. Coins. Okay, a little bit. 3 more games. Need the monstrous payout. Drum, where are you? Coins. Hey! Looks like $48. I thought the drum was supposed, I mean, it made it grow that one time, but. Alright, we have 2 more spins. I want some more drumming. Drum, drum, drum. The tree. And some jacks. It's a $100 bonus. Last spin. Come on, finish. Oh, there's a drum. Coin. Oh boy, it fizzled out. Hey, I'm happy with that. I think it was my first time getting the green drum. Okay. Dancing Drums Ultimate Explosion. That was fun. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another win. Stay tuned. Alright, Dancing Drums. I got the drums. I only put $20 in. I'm playing my less cymbals method. What to pick here? Go with 10. Alright, so we want the coins or the green things? All the way across. Come on, baby. No. Come on. Okay. I guess. Got some boats. I wish I had the coins or the green things, but that's a nice hit there. $40. That must be for the boats. So yeah, my bet is 2 gold cymbals at max, so $1.80. And I was just playing the 80 cents, the 1 gold cymbal, and I got a ton of coins for a $60 win. I've just been playing off the profits. And now, hello, so my $20 bill is going over $100. And darn, I wish I had a gold cymbal up there in the front. That would have been really nice. But this is okay. Oh, hello. Well, okay. I get that on top. So yeah, if you're playing 2 gold cymbals, the only thing you're eligible for is the mini. So that's why it just gave me the mini. It didn't give me a pick. Well, that was fun. Drop? Oh, darn it. La 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 la. Go, go, go. I got some coins all the way across. $20 on the coins. $5 on the green things. But yeah, so just those coins are $20. That's because of that upgrade of playing the gold, you know, those gold cymbals. This is a nice bonus. Only half done. Maybe we'll re-trigger too. Drop, drop. Oh, nothing on that one. I spoke too soon. Coins, coin, yes. $40 on the coins. La la la. I just came in from dinner and was like, well, I want to kind of warm things up again. I played before dinner, had a lot of luck. And I enjoyed my dinner, and I said, yeah, let me just kind of start out a little slow. I'll play $20 in Dancing Drums, see if it wants to give me anything, and well, look what's happened. So 3 spins. The one thing we're not having luck on is getting a re-trigger with those drums, but just keep awarding these 5-of-a-kind big wins, and I'll be happy. Boats, okay, $20 on the boats. If I'd had a coin in the front, that would have been another $20. Spins and draw. Oh, darn it. Last game. No. All right. Well, we didn't finish very strong, but great bonus. $154.59. $1.80 bet. Up to 205, started with 20. Okay, the rules say I go to 3 gold symbols now, which is a $3.80 bet. I'll do that for a little bit, but I'm definitely taking a profit out of here, but I might be back. This is the very next spin after the bonus. I got the coins again, $60. Not quite as amazing because instead of betting 80 cents, I'm betting 380, but still. So yeah, now the bush is turned to gold, so I'm hoping to get a bunch of those. But that's nice, that gives me a lot more money to work with, and I might be back. Oh, my methods. I really like this one. $90, I got the green thing all the way. Still haven't had a win yet with the little tree, but hey, no complaining about the 333. All right, 250 was my limit. I played for a while. I kept getting some line hits, $45, $20. I'm gonna stick with this. Like having 10 games. All right, coins for days, coins. Oh, I needed it to finish off. Need a bunch of those green things or the trees. Coin, 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 coin. Oh, darn it. $15, but boy, you put them over there and it would have been nice. La, 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 la. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Green. No, don't die on me. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. $60 at least. Ba, 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 ba. We're half done. Uh-oh. The rules say now I have to go up to a higher bet. We might try it. Let's hope we get a huge win on this bonus. Fund it. Spins to go. Drop. Oh, darn it. Push, 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 push. Oh, 5 of a kind with that would have been great. And it's $12. But boy, put one in there and then I get those two. That would have been a big win. Nothing. Gold, gold, gold. Oh, darn it. Last spin. Coins, just oh, well, I got that thing. He's not gold, but he's 20 bucks. 140. Thank you. All right, so the next symbol upgrade will be the ship. And not gonna go berserk, but I'll give it a try. Here it is. I'll let you watch the first one. 680. Come on, baby. All right. Well, I'll give it a few. Maybe I'll be back.